Alright, getting that ready. Cool, let's start. I've got socks in the way. I hope everyone's going well this Wednesday. Forgot what day it is already. I hope everyone's going well this evening. So yeah. Alright. What's also I've got to think. Friday will be the 24th. I do believe I will be streaming that day too. And then Monday the 27th. Yep. And then I won't be doing the 31st. Okay, cool. Yep. Alright, let's jump into it. It's going to be a chill stream tonight. Gonna just fix bugs and test all my bugs and stuff like that. Make sure that they pass the tests, and then yeah, I will deploy. So let's go to my scene and let's go like this. Alright, cool. Got that. All right. I don't have my everything running yet. Okay, cool. Anyway, socks, you're in the way. Give me a sweetie. Come on, come here. No, I wanted to cuddle. I wasn't telling you what. Oh. What happened? And thank you, Thomas, for the host. Alright. So. Socks, you're literally sitting on my arm. Alright. Gonna update my mode. Alright, I'm gonna bring that like so. I've got a Ruby library to start up my server. Alright, let's make sure we've got the latest version of NearBeach. And let's also go into our alright, okay. We should have the latest. Alright, let's move that up there. Whoop. Like so, and let's get started. Wrong localhost. I want port 8000. And then I want team leader. Test $1234 is just the password. So the same as demo. Alright. So let's go to our bug list. Let's search. Ready for retest. Oh, sorry, I just drank fizzy water, so I'm a bit burpy. So we've got 36 bugs that we've got to test out and double check that they are meant to work how they're meant to work. Alright. Users should be able to create a new organizer when creating a new object. Okay, so look into NearBeach, navigate new item, new project, fill out the form. If organization/customer does not exist, give the user ability to create it via a simple modal. Okay. Did I really do this one? What's up? Simple creation tool. Oh. Yep. Yep, I'm happy with that. So that is resolved, fixed. Moving to the next one. Alright. Oh, sorry. Hopefully I'll be able to stay up. I woke up at 3 AM this morning. Oh shit, did I download all my... damn it, I was meant to download Halo. Frick. Alright, I can do that. I can do that. Static directory is not passed down into the view template. Users might set up NearBeach differently from the norm. We need to pass. Oh, this is a custom test. In this sort of case, I'm going to the next one because I want to actually set that up on my Raspberry Pi, which we've got to do this weekend. So hopefully, hopefully on Friday I will be having everything set up on the Raspberry Pi and stuff like that, and doing tests and so forth like that on the Raspberry Pi. So hopefully everything will just continue to work there and so forth. Alright, need to pass down the route. This is also, once again, I'm going to go to the next one because that needs to be tested. It's essentially a whole entire site test, which I can tackle a couple of birds with one stone. Alright, cannot add users when editing group permissions. Alright, so this one, log into NearBeach, admin group. So we need to go in as the admin user. So I am opening this up as personal. Admin. Like so. Alright, cool. So what is the bug saying? Admin group, select a group to edit, and then try and add a new user. Groups, alright, let's test group. Admin user, test group, read only. Yep, that works perfectly fine. Alright, resolved. New campaign name sends multiple requests instead of just one. Alright, this is a simple one to test. Let's bring open our this. Sorry, just scratching my eye. Alright. Oh, sorry. Oh, Jesus. Did the music just stop? Okay, in here, what we're looking for is essentially when we go new object, new Kanban board. When you start writing stuff, it will actually, that was unintentional, it'll take a couple of seconds after the user has finished their last key press. So I've just typed in a bunch of stuff and it just waits. That's fast. That is fast, easily. Okay, cool. This is resolved. Update user form does not have any required fields. So I have added validation on the VueJS side of things. Issued none of the fields being set to required. This information is needed. So update user form. Users, my profile. Cool. I'm going to say that one's passed. Kanban board is caching the page, causing the plugins not to appear. And we need to figure out, okay, example. Okay, this one, it's a bit hard to sort of test because it's a cached thing. So I'm going to have to look at the code. So we want to jump onto our recent branch. Alright, we want to go to our views. We want to then go to our Kanban views. Now, what we're looking for is this particular no cache stuff. So we've got our never cache. Alright. We've got our imported it in. Alright, cool. And we've got @ for the Kanban edit board, sweet, and the Kanban information. I'm going to say this one is actually resolved. We're assuming that Django has done all their unit tests and so forth like that, that they've tested this. Getting a cache issue could be random sometimes. Cannot move Kanban card inside card information modal. So log into NearBeach, open up the existing Kanban board with existing cards, double click on the card. Oh yeah, and then on the card information modal. Cool, so what we want to do, I'm being cleaned. So if we double click on this, let's say it's in progress, update card, it'll move. So this one's blocked, update card, yep. Cool. That is done. Archiving card refreshes page, okay. So archive cards, there's no refresh. So that's for that specific bug. Resorting cards on Kanban board does not work. Log into resort the cards in the column. Okay, cool. So this one won't work, so I'm going to go back to the search. Big Kanban board. There's nothing here. QA team board. And once again, I am going to be changing this very soon to optimistic. There's a term for it. Essentially, it will just assume that everything works perfectly fine, and then it will just revert stuff if things go wrong. So this one is done. So yeah. New card on Kanban board does not appear unless you refresh. So log into NearBeach, open up existing Kanban board, create a new card on only level, card to be added to the end of the section. Alright, cool. New card. And ran new card for you. Alright. Bang. In there. That works. Alright, sorry, I'm getting distracted by the cube. User is not notified. They have no groups associated with account. Alright. New user with no groups associated to them tries to log in. New user is told that they have no groups associated to them, no notifications. This now notifies the user to contact their system administrator. So let's have a look at this. So I am trying to remember the password for this particular user. I think there's no group. A password reset. Let's make sure that they've got the right password. Okay, that is not good. Flick to touch your system. Yep, sweet. Ah, yeah, that's fine. All right. Dashboard widget, unassigned items are showing items that that user has no access to. Okay. So let's create a new project. Admin project only. All right. Stakeholder. Let's get rid of test group. So only the admin can see this. So if we click in here, admin project only. All right, this is unassigned objects. Okay, if we go here, click on this. Those are fine. It ain't there. Okay, cool. This is passed. Uploading a document onto local staging, not S3, will incur a wrong path. All right, let's try this as. Yep, cool. We can't forget about the password reset issue. Cannot remove assigned users to an object. All right. Any requirement item on a table side screen to compressed. Yeah, we changed this recently. Okay, new requirement item wizard. So if we go in here, let's actually bang us into our, let's go iPad size. All right, so new requirements, there we go. Requirement item becomes a full wizard. All right. SVG is overlapping when trying to create a new requirement link. I don't want to say file, but a bit of a brain fart there. Alright, yeah, cool. Just give me 2 seconds. Sorry, I've just updated this. All right, cool. So we've got this issue. Let's see if we fix it. So this is new requirement wizard. Navigate to an open requirement. Scroll down to requirement link section. Create a new link. Requirement links. Went past create new link. Yeah, that's fine. And someone searches project and they're like, okay. Solving that cube. Adding requirement links does not clear the modal when adding more links. All right. Add requirements link after add more links. All right, cool. I'm already here. I might as well click those. Save changes. All right, cool. Yeah, I cleared everything. Sweet. All right. Can add duplicate links in requirement links. All right, cool. Easy way to do this is we put in everything. Even though I can automatically see some of those links are not reappearing. All right, cool. There you go. Yep, that's pretty easy. All right, this is cannot remove any requirement links from requirements. All right. All right, there's something. All right, undefined. Yep, no, this is a. We are currently getting a 404 error. Please fix. This has failed. Retest, but no problem. What we can actually do is we can fix it, and then we can still deploy it. So that way it's fixed. Cannot remove bugs from bugs list. I feel like this is also going to be another one where I'm going to have that issue. Let's have a look. I don't have any bugs. Oh, why do I have bugs in here? Yep. I'm currently getting a 400 error. Currently getting a 400 error. Please fix. Alright. Read-only user can Can see update for the button. All right, cool. Read only. Test $24. Sorry, I should have. RFC for the request for change. Request for change. So this is status 1. Oh. So it's not in read-only mode. So yeah, this is... Actually, I need to test to make sure that that is not closed. There were a couple of issues in there which I am going to actually log. So this one is actually resolved, fixed, but I want to key in a new bug. There's 2 bugs there which I've just found. This is minor. Alright, read only user can type and interact with field on request change. Alright, cool. So this is where we write our method. So method 1, log into NearBeach as a read-only user, 2, navigate to an open RFC. Okay, expected results. All fields are disabled on the screen. Actual results. Fields are not disabled. Yeah, cool, done. That's easy. So we'll submit bug. The other bug is the request for change. Download. Alright. Nope, we want this one. Alright, cool. New. This is part of search. We're gonna make this a bit getting into the major sort of thing because people need to use it. So under search, the request for changes status are numbers. Please see screenshot of the issue. The numbers should be text telling the user the human readable status. Add attachment, browse. This is where I'm like, find this, open this, screenshot of issue, submit bug. All right. Okay. Might as well add in the password issue. Admin cannot reset users' passwords. So method. Actually, this is a critical one. So this is actually a critical all method 1 admin user logs into NearBeach, admin user navigates the menu, admin users, admin user selects select a user, click on reset password, try and reset user's password. Expected results. User password reset. Actual results. 400 issue. 400 errors. Alright, cool. Let's submit this bug. Alright, playing around with this cube. Okay, I'm gonna close that. Let's move on to the testing. Okay, read-only users can see buttons in the module search. Login. Okay, cool. So, read-only user. This is with any objects. So no buttons, no buttons, no buttons, no buttons, no buttons, no buttons, no buttons. All right, cool. Sorry, I'm just playing with the cube just a little bit more. Alright, cool. User permission level has not been ported down into the requirement information. Ooh. How did we do this? I've just noticed that the user permissions level is now being ported down into the requirement information. Please see the project information for example. Into the requirement information. New requirement. Use level 1. Cool. It's been imported down now. Adding new requirement item links. New links won't show unless refreshed. Alright. Open. Alright. I think I added all the links. Alright, cool. Not a problem. We'll create a new requirement. A simple requirement. Simple requirement. That's working. Links, dashboard, etc. should have end dates. Ooh, this is a good one. Yeah, I came across this when I was being like, what are the end dates? So requirements don't have it because they don't have an end date. Requirements are actually opened until you actually close them. So requirements are constantly changing and stuff like that. So, yep. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Users can edit a post request to obtain data from other projects. And hey, Jay the developer, how are you this evening? I hope you're going well. I do love that little emote. The little wiggle. I'm just going through my bugs at the moment. It's good, yeah, it's good. So we've had some luck. We're pretty much getting most of these bugs out the door. I do need to set up my Raspberry Pi, so I actually set up a server in a particular sort of way, so that way I want to test some other bugs too, and I need to do a full site sweep. So yeah, getting ready for holiday time. Me too. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm going to do at work tomorrow, so I'll get there right around about 9, and then look at some teams. I write down some questions, and then I will go to my office's lunch. So yeah, and then I'm on holidays. Can you do the Rubik's Cube blindfolded? No, sadly I'm not the best with short-term memory. So yeah, I'm terrible with it. So yeah, that, and I'm pretty average with the cube. So yeah, I can only solve the first 2. Oh, fair enough. It just, the other ones are just memorizing the other algorithms and stuff like that. You've got the hard part down. So the final layer is actually pretty easy. In my personal opinion, I find it really easy. That's the layer where I don't think as much. Users can edit a post request to obtain data from other objects. Oh yeah, this one. So associated objects. The above URL will send back data requested via post. That is from all other objects. Security issue. Actually, this one is actually complete. I've actually come across some other bugs because I haven't actually included those particular tags within that tag list. So yeah, this one's actually fixed. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be glad that when I'm on holidays, I can just finally relax. I actually bought myself some manga because my Kindle decided to switch bed. Sorry, sweetie, it ain't treats. It's a paper bag. All you need is Kill and One Punch Man, which I've been meaning to read for years. I was gonna get One Piece, and then I was reading. They had pretty much just a section about this big to One Piece. So it was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 96, 97, 98, 99. And I'm just like, oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot. Even if I get through one manga a week, it's gonna take me multiple years to get through. Akira took me... I was waiting more for the next book with Akira than I spent reading it. Because I would easily get halfway through a manga, Akira's manga in a night, easily. If not more. Alright, cannot archive Kanban cards. Oh, we've done this one. We've actually tested this one already through another bug. So I should have actually connected those, but oh well. Clicking on archive cards hides all cards on Kanban board. Refresh will bring them back. We've actually technically tested this one already. That didn't happen. Click on archive cards when no cards is in container. Oh, that's a nifty one. The Kanban board. Yeah, alright, that one's fixed. Alright, Tiny Mouse enabled a few more features with Tiny Mouse. Ah yeah, we've done that. That one's... We just go to new Kanban. No, not new Kanban board. Like, I picked the... I had a 50-50 chance. So yeah, we've implemented this, which is a lot better. I reckon this is going to help a lot. Alright, wait, tiny mouth. That is resolved and that is fixed. So yes. User cannot upload documents in organization information. Alright. So let's upload socks. This is photos. So let's go in here. Let's upload documents. So these are usually used for agreements and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll use that one. Yep, that one worked perfectly fine. Can start the wizards and upload the document. Okay, start the wizard. Okay, cool. Associated object under organization information is showing the wrong information. Log into NearBeach, move to an organization's information, navigate to the associated objects. Oh yeah, this one. So it used to show me all random sort of stuff. So yeah. Now it doesn't. Alright, resolved. Cannot add tags to organization information. Navigate to on the organization page. Go misc, add tag. Alright. Cool. That's resolved. Organizations cannot have notes attached to them. Alright, so log into navigate to the organization, click on notes. You're taking the switch to work. Are you jinxing yourself? Oh. Alright, go to the notes tab. Add a note. Box. Cat. Alright, cool, resolved. Cannot upload and get downloads on localhost. So tried uploading a document out there, document upload, however, yeah, alright, yep, that one's resolved. We've tested that a few times already. Holy cow. We are at the end of it. Alright. NearBeach, these three. So we've got 21 issues still pending. That is perfectly fine. We can fix a lot of those issues. So yeah. Alright, okay. Cannot remove any requirements. Yeah. Okay, cool. Those failed due to probably the root URL issues. So I just need to go in and redefine stuff. That's perfectly fine. A user with restricted access can still access all objects. Yeah, that's a next branch one. So yeah, I should key in which branches I want these fixed in and stuff like that. So yeah. considering we'll be moving to the 0.29 branch soon. So 0.29 is essentially the Vue 3 build. So it focuses on the Vue 3 build and fixing up any of those issues and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff. You gotta go? Alright, see you. Love you.
Love you.
Have fun at work. Sorry, what?
Can you throw those in?
I was gonna let them fist up. Make some penicillin. Yeah, I'll throw them out. I'm surprised you have it. No, alright, fair enough. Good have I. Alright, love you. Have fun at work. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, cool. Shall we? We'll keep the cat door closed then. Yeah. And if there's massive fights, we'll put Lily in the spare bedroom. Anyway, have fun. Love you. Drive safe. Alright. Sorry about that. I am back. Cool. So, we've crunched down most of the bugs. A lot of these will be fixed soon. Oh, just wait. Front door. Okay, it's done. Front door's fine. Alright. That only took us 15 minutes to do. That's perfectly fine. Let's actually have a search for those closed bugs. Resolved. Fixed. Search. And then we're like, boop. Boop. So it did quite a lot. It's a large number. So yeah. All right, let's search. So we want NearBeach in progress and failed test. All right. So failed, cannot remove bugs from bug list. Let's actually have a look at that. So do I have OmniVim open? I will in a second. All right. OmniVim. Oh, I'll tell you what, I should also, now that's running server, npm run watch. I should get this up and running. Okay. So, issue I was having. Log into NearBeach, navigate, go to bug list, remove any bugs. Alright. So, this will be part of the source. JavaScript, components, modules. We have submodules. And then we've got bugs module. Okay, straight off the bat, set no wrap. Alright, cool. So we've got the remove bug down here. So function const data to send is the new form data. Data to send set bug ID, that's perfectly fine. Axios, this root object data delete bug. So is it this root URL not being set? Now where's our computer? Root URL should be. All right, let's find out why. Enter request for change. Let's start with the requirements. So open up our view. Let's go to parent modules. Let's go to bug modules. Root URL is /. Okay. Is that a bug? Go to reject. Actually, let's bug. All right. So console. Error failed with status. Name bug ID undefined. So the bug ID is incorrect. All right, cool. Let's scroll down here. Okay, bug ID. Did I not pass that down? All right. Just putting that in there very, very quickly. It'll take 1 second to render. Alright. Let's actually have a look at these bugs. So, going into view, we are going into bug modules. We are looking at our bug array. Got bug client, bug ID, that should work. Let's click on this. Oh, wrong one. All right. Wait 1 second for it to reload. Let's hit that reload button. Be doing it. All right, cool. So that bug ID is correct. So console log bug ID. Yeah, that should be working. All right, let's. I've just got a console log in there. So bugs, and now it just magically works. All right, that was. I have not changed apart from that. Did it suddenly realize that I don't know why that. Alright. Bug. That bug. Bugs. Oh, okay. So it must be only when you reload. Only if you try and delete the bug straight away. Alright. This is a very specific bug. So, this by technicality works. We're resolving this because it's too generic. we're going to create a new bug that is very specific to that use case. I'm just going to write in here bug links. All right. Cannot delete a bug link that has just been created. All right, cool. So method 1, log into NearBeach to navigate to any objects. 3, scroll to the bug tab at the bottom of the page. 4, what we want to do here, we want to add a new bug to the object. 5, without refreshing, try and delete the bug. Expected results, cannot delete the bug. Actual results, can delete the bug. Whoops. Tell you what, I am just gonna cannot delete the bug. Notes. This is caused by a lack of ID, mostly caused by the fact that that ID has not been added to this bug. It might be an idea to add the ID when the server responds back. Smiley face. Submit bug. Okay. This one cannot remove requirement links from requirements. Okay, cool. So when I go into here, requirement information, I am going to go to the requirement links. This is coming up with this error. So that looks right. Response, page not found. Requirement information 5, undefined object data. Delete link. Alright, cool. So going in here, I want, this is requirement links module. Oh, we just found what would be, I don't know the ID for that one. All right. Remove link. All right, cool. So we got a new form data that gets sent in the back end. That's perfectly fine. This root URL here, it's undefined, which means root URL is probably not imported in from, no, it's not. All right, cool. This is a simple fix. UX, import map getters. Sorry, I like the little spaces. It's just me being pedantic. From VueJS. Cool. Or is that meant to be in quote? Oop. Yeah, I knew I had that wrong. All right, no problem. I can fix that. Cool. So importing map getters. I am just looking for the word computed. Not there. Sweet. So I am just going to be computed. type is an object, and then we have dot 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 map getters. That is a function, but there is an object inside it. And what we want to do is, first of all, try and scroll down. Map getters, blah, blah, blah. We want root URL, and that is get root URL. All right. That should fix that issue. Cool. That's fixed. All right, update document location, ask for AWS credentials. This is not something we are fixing tonight. Use with restricted access. That's not we're not fixing that tonight. We're not fixing that tonight. Requirements will require. I'm having a feeling that most of this is pretty fixed. Alright, cool. So the good news is we have 6 bugs which are actually scheduled for the next fix. So yeah, the next branch, which will be the 2817. Oof, getting very late in that branch, let's just say that. So what I'm actually going to do is I am going to go and look at my bugs. There is 25 bugs. Oh yeah, I can crunch a lot of those. Some of the auto deployment stuff will be fixed when I'm on holidays. There's just so much to fix. So yeah. Anyway, jumping back into this, what did I want to do? Definitely want to push all that. So let's again run prod. Oh, what branch am I on? 16. Yeah, that's fine. NearBeach. Okay, I need to do a couple of things. Let's so that's just made all of that. Yep, cool. All right. Next thing I want to do is I want to bring up the package. Yep. Change that to 16. Also want to bring up NearBeach. Not forms. In it. All right, cool. Get status. So we've modified the init. Yep, the forms. All right. Git diff NearBeach forms. All right, cool. The URLs. Git diff NearBeach URLs. Yeah, cool. Yep. Package JSON, yep, we're fine with those stuff we edited today. I'm gonna git commit. Alright. Minor fixes to path bug tests. Alright, not the best way to do that, but that's fine. Alright. So I've got this down to 25 bugs, which is great considering where it was before. We still have, I think, 2 ready for retests, but once again, I am going to install on my Raspberry Pi a server, and then from there I'll be able to sort of do a test where I'm going to actually test something where you set up NearBeach in a sort of inconvenient way. But I still want to allow people to set it up like that way. So, yeah. The idea is I want to test for that. Also, I've got to do a full site shakeout testing using that too. So, yeah, I will probably be doing that Friday. Alright. Okay. I am probably going to call it here tonight. I'm sorry this is a very short stream. It's just... I've been up since 3 AM. So, yeah, let's find someone to raid. At least we got what we wanted to do today, so that is good news. Let's raid Soulburn. Alright. Oh, I've got an ad to watch. Alright, cool. Let's... Clip that. What? Soulburn. Start raid. Alright. Okay, let's bring him up. And yeah. Anyway, thank you everyone for coming along. It has been great. We are almost ready to do another release very soon. And then hopefully after this release, a lot of things will just quickly happen. So yeah, I've just been extremely busy, especially in the month of November and the start of December. So I am hoping that I am going to get back into the swing of things very soon. So yeah. Anyway, have fun everyone. Enjoy your evening.
Like using crypto. Make sure Peanut sleeps too. I kind of worry about her and Mossy and Silver not sleeping. She's actually in bed right now. She stopped stream a few hours ago now and raided. Oh!